Hello, students, welcome back. Today we are going to continue our chapter number 4, that is Objects in MS Word 2016, and the topic which we will see today, that is symbols and screenshots. If you remember, children, I have already explained how to insert a picture in MS Word. We need to go to the insert tab, and after that we need to select the picture or clip art or shapes, anything, and there are the option for inserting the screenshots, which you can directly click on the down arrow and then click on the screen clipping. Okay, once we will click on the screen clipping, then what will happen, the screen will be selected and then this image will be saved as picture. So, this was the very easy step. But in MS Word, there is one more feature, or you can say there is a feature in your laptops or computers or Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, whichever Windows you are using, you can just directly go to the Start button, and here you have to search Snipping Tool. This is the inbuilt software which is being installed in all the Windows and easily available. No need to install it. We'll just select it, and what will happen? We will get a screen. We will get a screen like this, and then we will just select any of the option. Freeform means you can select any shape. Rectangle means you can select the rectangular screenshot. Window snip, अगर कोई particular window का लेना है photo. Full screen means this complete screen will be captured as screenshot. So I am here taking as window snip. Now select the window. Now which window you want to take it as screenshot? I want to take MS Word as screenshot. So I will just click here. Now you see, this picture has been saved as screenshot. Can you see it? And now what we need to do, we just need to go and we will just save it. We will just save it. I have already saved it. So now we will open our MS Word and we will go to Insert tab. From here, instead of going to screenshots, we will directly go to pictures. And from here we will find the picture of which we have already taken the screenshot, and then we will click on insert. Then you will find that picture has been inserted in your computer as a screenshot picture. So now student, I think this topic would be clear to you all. This is the different way which is not given in book, but just I have shown you so that you could be more easily be able to take the screenshots. Now we will go to the another topic, that is symbols. For that what we need to do is we just need to go to insert tab, and from here we need to select the symbols. Here you can see there are many symbols. You can just click and it will get inserted. As you can see here, let me just zoom it out so that it would be clear to you all. Now there are other symbols also, but if there are any symbols which are not present here but you want to insert, then you need to go to the more symbols and we can select the category, whichever category you want. It will be changed, and from here we can select the any symbol which is not present on your keyboard. For example, like these symbols are not actually present on your keyboard, but still we can insert it by the help of symbol option present under insert tab. Just select it and insert it. You can see it is being inserted. So I hope, my dear children, this topic would be clear to you all, how to insert symbol and how to take screenshots of your desired page on your PC or computer. Thank you, children.